you charge per device or per user when you sell managed services? Almost 4 times as many of you say that you sell it per device than per user. Is that the right way to do it? Let me tell you what I think. Hey everybody, welcome back to All Things MSP. My name is Eric Anthony. If you are an IT service provider and you want to join the conversation about delivering IT services out to small and medium-sized businesses, please go ahead and join our Facebook group. The link is down in the description of this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, please click that subscribe button and make sure you ring the bell to be notified when I post new videos. Like many businesses, managed services has evolved over the years. Now, there's no doubt that we started out as a device-centric industry. But as things have evolved and things like cloud services have come into play, we are a much more user-centric model. The desktop PC and the server are no longer the center point of the services that we deliver. So let's go back in time to yesteryear. No, I'm just kidding. Let's just put 2 minutes on the clock and get this thing started. So what is my opinion? Well, per device was a great way to do it back when all of our tools, the way we delivered our services, were centered around the desktop PCs and the servers. Now that we don't do that anymore, because a lot of the services that we're actually delivering, the things that they use from day to day, are hosted in the cloud, the endpoints have become less important. They're using more devices to access their data. They're using their phones, they're using tablets, they're using laptops, in addition to the traditional endpoints. So a per user model seems to make more sense. Now, if I was trying to start up an MSP today, I would certainly choose the per user model. Now, that doesn't mean that per device is wrong. It's just the way that I would do it. And here's some of the reasons why. Number one, primarily, if you break down IT services into 2 different types of reactive and proactive, the proactive is pretty standardized. You can pretty easily get a price around that. You know what it's going to cost to deliver those proactive services. Reactive is where your variables are. That's the ambiguous part of the service delivery, and that's typically caused by users. The users are the ones who are going to create a request or a ticket that you then have to react to. So the user is what all of the service delivery now becomes about. Second, many of the services that you're going to deliver in software applications are licensed per user, not per machine anymore, because they're delivered through the cloud and they're accessed through a variety of different devices. So it just makes sense to build those items per user. Third, in my opinion, per user is just easier to track, whether you're tracking it by domain users, email accounts, maybe Office 365 accounts. It's typically a very easy number to generate every month to make sure that your billing is correct. Number 4, per user is very easy for your client to understand. It's also very easy for them to budget. When they're adding another employee, they know exactly what the IT cost of that employee is going to be. If they're forecasting growth out for 6 months to a year, they even know how much it's going to be when they add those employees for that growth. Now, an important factor in this, something I want you to think about, is the average IT spend of an organization per user is anywhere from about $250 a month to a little over $2,100 a month. That's a lot of money, and that's where your pricing should be as well. If you're supporting just on a per user based model, you should be looking at somewhere around $250 a month per user. Now, that includes everything. So if you have things that you exclude from your agreements, then obviously that's probably going to reduce that a little bit. So you may get down to the 175, maybe even as low as 150 per user, but I would caution going any less than $150 per user in a fully managed plan. And last, but certainly not least, there is margin in mystery. And what do I mean by that? Well, by bundling everything into a per user price, it gives you the opportunity to build in some costs, build in some profit margin there that otherwise you might not be able to get in there on a line item by line item type of agreement. Hey everybody, thanks for watching this video. Let me know down in the comments whether you bill by device or by user. I want to know, and let me know why you do it as well. Also, if you like this video, please go ahead and give the thumbs up to like this video. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs down, but make sure that you tell me in the comments why you didn't like this video. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you ring that bell to be notified when I post new videos. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.